White dress, shaking hands, mama crying in the second row. You smile like you already know. Every lifetime led us here. Soft steps down the aisle, I can hear my heart beat too. World fades into just me and you. Every fear just disappears. Let the church bells ring for us. Let the whole world hear our love. Every time says I am yours, and I am not afraid. When the church bells ring for us, I'll say your name and trust. Every vow we make today will echo all our days. Let the church bells ring. Your voice steady and low, reading words we practiced late at night, but this time they finally feel right. On your lips they come alive. Gold bands, stream brimly lips. I can taste the future in your kiss. If this is what forever is, then I'm ready, hand in mine. Let the church bells ring for us. Let the whole world hear our love. Every chime says I am yours, and I am not afraid. When the church bells ring for us, I will say your name and trust. Every vow we make today will echo all our days. Let the church bells ring. When the doors swing wide, we step outside. All our yesterdays falling far behind. Every distant sound fades into that tone, ringing over us, telling us we're home. Let the church bells ring for us. Let the whole world hear our love. Every chime says I am yours, and I am here to stay. When the church bells ring for us, I will say your name and trust. Every vow we make today will echo all our days. Oh, let the church bells ring.